Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by standing safely away from moving engine components and hot surfaces. Look for a molded plus symbol near one post and a minus symbol near the other. Red plastic covers or red cables indicate the positive terminal on most cars. The negative terminal often connects directly to the chassis with a black cable. The positive post is usually slightly larger in diameter than the negative post on many batteries. If you see a cover, remove it carefully with your fingers or a tool designed for that purpose. Inspect the cables and clamps to confirm the terminals visually before touching anything. Red cable or red clamp marks the positive battery terminal on most vehicles. Black cable bolted to body metal or engine block indicates the negative terminal. Positive posts are commonly larger than negative posts on typical car batteries. Follow the cable from the post to the battery to be certain which side it serves. Never assume. Always verify visually and by a secondary method when possible for safety. Use a multimeter to confirm polarity before connecting or disconnecting terminals. Set the multimeter to DC volts and expect about 12.6 volts for a healthy battery. Touch the red probe to the suspected positive post while touching the black probe to a metal chassis ground point. A positive reading confirms the red probe is on the battery positive terminal. If the meter shows a negative sign or reads inverse polarity, reverse the probes and re-identify the terminals correctly. Always wear eye protection and remove jewelry before testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.